Lisan lang kasi meron silang tugtog eh. So siguro during the day meron din silang ano no, mga gelato.
And this is I see it. That's a color.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin
Oh, that's
Italian eh.
color.
Ano sa'yo?
Half ice cream.
Okay. So, mag-order na kami. What do you order usually sa ano sa Tim Hortons? Ano kasi yung order mo doon?
Ice chai. Ice chai latte. I don't know if they have ice chai.
Baka wala. Those are the only ones they have. Ito pala yun. Lagi ko nadadaanan every single time na pag hinahatid ko si na ate na I have to turn because I have to find for a parking. Which one?
The cake.
The cheesecake? Included na yung taxes doon. Hi, good morning, sir. Do you serve iced coffee here? Yeah. Okay. So
Sugar or without chocolate?
sugar.
Chocolate on top?
What do you want? Can we have iced cafe latte?
Okay.
And for me is iced cafe mocha.
Ice cream.
Mocha.
Both to go?
It's for here.
Both for here?
Can we have like the cheesecake as well?
The cheesecake?
Yeah.
Get a white and a Alfredo for here.
Hold it muna. I'm gonna pay.
The apple caramel cheesecake, right?
Yes, that's right.
Just gonna be right up here for you.
Wait.
Skip.
I like my coffee.
Ano na? Yan muna kasi they're serving us.
Latte Freddo, mocha Freddo.
Okay. Hey, hold on. Kunin mo yung mine. This is ours. Baka ng tissue.
That's what you need. Salads.
Oh, hold it for me. Kumuha ka na ng extra kasi so you don't have to come back here. Teka na, let's go.
Here, go to go.
Where do we sit? There's at the corner. There's no one there. Ito pala yung pamoso. Sige, sige na. Take a picture. So, ito yung order namin. Oh. Sa akin, ice cafe mocha. And then, kay Andrew is ice cafe latte. And then, nag-cheesecake na rin kami. So, yan. Off kasi ako ngayon. Nakalimutan ko pang dalhin yung ano natin. Tikman nga natin. Sarap. Wow. So yung mga prices nila sa menu, may kasama ng tax.
Thank you, mami.
Tapos pupunta tayo na. Wait, nasa na yun natin, parking natin. Isang oras pa tayo. So, hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Sarap ng ano nila, ng cheesecake. You're right. Look.
I told you. I saw the cookies. Those are Italian.
So ito is ano?
Apple pie.
Cheese apple pie. Ang sarap. Ito palang ano na to, cafe na to, was established, was ano, Established noong 1970 pa siya. Oh, may music siya. Ganda rito, no? Pato, cozy. Ayan siya. Italian, ano. Since 1970 pa pala tong coffee shop na to. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Pero sarap. So, next stop namin is doon na sa bagel shop. Makabili ng bagel. Tapos uwi na. Kasi magluluto. Ito, ayun, tawag dito. Mali naman. Pakita ko lang sa
Ignis Catholic.
Oh, asan? You see, sabi sa'yo, it's a Catholic
Carlos
church.
Orta.
Paano ang pangalan nitong church na to?
St. Anne,
St. Anne Church?
I think.
Wait, what does it say there?
Across the street.
No. Let's go here. Let's go. Papa, iikot lang tayo dito sa mill end na ano. Ay, ito barber
Unique,
shop.
no?
Oh. Unique yan. Unique St. Viatar. Ito ano to? Oh, this is another one. Pizza shop. Ayan oh. See? Mill end. It says mill end. Ah, Portuguese ano rin to. Oh, Andrew. Maybe we try here one time, oh. Mill end ano? Portuguese chicken, Portuguese ano? Wala na. Alam ko banda doon pa yun, yung isang bake shop eh. Pero, tara na. Let's go. Let's go to the Saint Viatar. Gusto mong daanan yan para makita natin? Come, dali.
Now we're the cross.
Ito yung church, oh. Ang ganda. Mukhang malaki siya, oh. Si Mama Mary yan, eh. Ayan, ano sabi niya? Catholic
What?
community. No, that's the community, but the church itself. Laki niya, oh.
Oh, déjà pas en polonais, never en anglais.
Ay, it's a Polish, ano, no?
Polish. So St. Anne.
Pero it's a Catholic church. Ang laki. Oh, I wish we could go in. I wonder, bakit? Oh. Hindi next time daanan natin yan.
I said let's go to at 10:30 to the church. So
9 o'clock, eh? 9 o'clock
No,
ang
at
mass.
10:30 so we can.
Walang mass. Why? Ah, it's open. Let's go in. Let's go. Visit. It's buti na lang bukas. Oh my God, let's go visit.
Let's go. Let's come back at 10:30 so we can listen in Polish.
My dear, we're only... Bukas kaya talaga.
I did.
Oh my God,
Pas de tourisme.
Patayin ko na muna guys. Papasok lang kami ng church. Offer ng prayer. O sige, see you in a bit. Dito na kami sa church guys. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng church na to. Ang laki. Tsaka yan. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng ano. Few facts lang. Itong church na napuntahan namin by chance ni Andrew is the Saint Michael the Archangel Church. It was founded in 1902. Imaginein mo, 1902 pa siya. Ang galing, grabe. Ang ganda rito. See? Ang ganda. Ang ganda rito, Andrew. Saglit lang, baka mapakalaman. Sige na. Balik tayo sa susunod, guys. Doon Ay, ba't ganun? Ba't parang pula? Wag mo idal yung mata mo, ha?
Let's go.
Sige na, let's go. Extra powder yan, you know? So, palakad na kami papunta dun sa St. Viator Bagel.
Better.
At dito, meron siyang deli shop.
Met.
Deli shop.
Smoke
Ano kaya doon? Anong difference doon? Baka magte-take out
Smoke
ka lang
met.
doon ng Tingnan mo.
Smoke met.
Tama na, pang kulit.
This is Filipino accent.
Oh, wow, oh. Oh, dito pala, meron din ito, oh. Oh,
Smoke met.
rotisserie chicken, sarap.
Vous avez tout? Vous avez 2 centres à l'intérieur.
Ano binayaran ko? $4 din sa... Well, we're arid. Daan na rin tayo ng dollar store kasi doon
Oh my
banda yun
Lord.
eh.
Can we get our bagels first?
Yeah. Punta muna tayo sa bagel shop. Kasi meron pa tayong time eh.
Smoke met.
Ay, tingnan yung aso, oh. Oh, ang ganda ng aso, oh. It's so cute.
I like that kind of dog, like the Australian Shepherd.
Which one?
That dog.
That one? No.
It's so cute.
Chris. Here.
Question for
Anday mga anday mga
Question for our-
mga resto rito, no? Mga pastry shop.
Question.
Tama na,
Question for our. Can I
Tama
talk?
na.
You see your.
Ito our bagel shop. Bili daw tayo ng blueberry bagel. Hi. Let's go in. Oh, matagal na rin to, di ba? Pakita lang na itong bagel shop, talagang pinipilahan talaga siya. Kilala talaga siyang since 1957. Look, Andrew, look, see? He's the guy who founded it. Galing, ano? Okay, let's go. Let's get, what does she want? Blueberry bagel? Ano sila, mga souvenir, no? Galing, no? Baka tayo ng 1,000, Right? Ay, yung mga souvenir shop. Tingnan mo. Yung mga souvenir shops pa siya. Merchandise. Morning, sir. Can I have a dozen of blueberry bagels, please?
Anything else?
That would be it.
$18.
Miss, sir. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. No, it's fine. Thank you. Ayun na, mga bagel nila. Tapos niluluto talaga sa pugon. Thank you. Tapos niluluto sa pugon. Oh. Ayun, no? Diba? Galing. Let's go na, anak. No, we go by here. Sarap. Ano, gusto mo kumain? Oh, at least famous na bagel dito sa St. Viator Church. St. Viator Street. Bagel, famous bagel sa St. Viator. Bagel. Ang daing mga kalapate.
Kalapating mababa.
He's tossing the bread. Look.
They're not scared. I can just grab.
Yeah. Look. The other one is like tossing it, like picking it up.
Kalapating
I see.
mababa.
Mababang likod. That's another one. That's another. Okay. So, I think, lagay muna natin. Sige, kuha ka ng isa. Puri rin.
Bag is thick.
And then we'll go there. May time pa tayo. Pari inside. Ang dami,
Thank you.
Welcome. Nandito na rin lang tayo, di ba? So, what time is it now? 28, may 30 minutes pa tayo. Punta muna tayo sa Dalarama. I'm just gonna get something from there. Okay.
It's really good.
Can I try? Just a little. This one? You giving me this one?
Yeah.
Sarap. Guys, oh. Walk down memory lane lang. Dyan yung YMCA na kinuhaan ng kurso ni Mike ng CPR class course. Since may oras pa dahil meron pa kaming half an hour na extra dun sa dito. Meron ditong parang grocery store na Three Brothers. Bili na rin ng gulay. Okay? Tapusin ko na. So, nakabalik na kami rito sa kotse, guys. Buti na lang nakita namin na may Maxi pala rito sa Mill End. So, dumaan na rin kami bumili ng konting gulay. Pang sasama mamaya sa hapunan siguro. So, dito na namin tatapusin yung vlog. Right, Andrew? And we'll see you sa susunod. Shout out pala kay Mama, kay Ate Meg, at saka kay Jella, at kay Belong na rin. Hello sa inyo. Timina, salamat sa panonood. Bye!